Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online classes. This week in class, we've been talking quite a lot about overwhelm, the feeling of being very overwhelmed by life. A feeling I'm guessing many of you will relate to. And one of my students, who's in her late 20s, I guess, mentioned the fact that at the moment she's having to work all the hours that God sends. I sympathised with this and said that I'd done my own years of working round the clock and that I had no desire to go back to that time at all. I'd like to think that I've earned my stripes. If you earn your stripes, you do things, usually over a period of time, that show that you deserve respect from other people in your field or in your profession. It comes from the military, where military people, like high up military people, have these kind of stripes on their arms. And you know, the more stripes you have, the more senior you are, and the more deserving of respect. And it's often used when talking about jobs. So, you know, when you start a new job, you have to earn your stripes and work your way up. You can't just waltz into a new company and expect to be promoted. Maybe you're not enjoying your job very much, but you've only been there a year. And so it's too soon to think about quitting because you're still earning your stripes. And if you're a young footballer, for example, in the youth team of a bigger team, you might sometimes get asked to clean the boots of the older players. If you complain about it, they'll tell you, listen kid, you've got to earn your stripes and work your way up. When I was your age, I had to do that kind of thing as well. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use Earn Your Stripes.